Hello friend, welcome back. In this video, I will discuss about Laravel default file structure. The application structure in Laravel is basically the structure of folders, subfolders, and file includes in a project. Once we create a project in Laravel, we get an overview of the application structure as shown in here. Here refers to the root folder of Laravel, namely Laravel project. It includes various subfolders and files. First of all, app. It is the application folder and includes the entire source code of the project. It contains console, exceptions, and middleware declaration, controller, providers, and model. That is the default Laravel model. Console includes the artisan commands necessary for Laravel, where all the commands are declared with the appropriate signature. Then exceptions. This folder contains all that method needed to handle exceptions. It also contains the file handle.php that handles all that exceptions. Then HTTP. The HTTP folder has subfolder for controller, middleware, and application request. That's the Laravel default controller. As Laravel flow as a MVC design pattern, this folder includes model, controllers, and views defined for the specific directories. The middleware subfolders includes the middleware mechanism comprising the filter mechanism and communication between response and request. Then providers. This folder includes all the service providers, requests to the register event for the core several and the configure a Laravel application. Then the Bootstrap. This folder enclosed all that application Bootstrap script. It contains a subfolder, namely cache, which includes all type of associate for the caching a web application. You can also find the file app.php, which initialize the script necessary for Bootstrap. Then config. The config folder includes various configuration and associated parameters required for the small functions of the Laravel application. Then database. As the name suggests, this directory includes various parameters for database functionalities. It includes three subdirectories as seeds, migration, and the factories. Seeds, these contain the classes used for unit testing database. Migrations, this folder helps in query for migrating the database used in the web application. And factories, this folder is used to generate large number of data records. I will show you how all things work in Laravel, so everything will be very much clear to you. Then the public. It is the root folder which help in initialize the Laravel application. Then resources directory contains the file which enhance your web application. Here you will get the views folder. Views are the HTML file or template which interact with the end user and play a primary role in MVC architecture. Then the route. Route is the way of creating a request URL of your application. You will do lot of work in this route. And then the vendor. Laravel is completely based on composer dependency. For example, to install Laravel setup or to include the third-party libraries, etc. The vendor folder includes all that composer dependency. In addition to the above mentioned files, Laravel also includes some of the other files which play a primary role in various functionalities such as the GitHub configuration, packages, and third-party libraries. Hope now you have little idea about Laravel file structure. So step by step, I will show you each and everything with live example. So thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.